typical certification question, asking about it something that's not included in the scope of a discipline. So creating financial reports based on event logs is one of those activities, since event notification is designed to alert us about system conditions that require our quick attention. This practice is directly related to reducing impact on our customers and represents a proactive way to capture potential issues, a leading indicator. The purpose of event monitoring is to detect and handle events to prevent outages. It helps identify early signs that could affect service availability and allows teams to act before a real problem happens. For example, in a cloud capacity management, monitoring can trigger a scaling check when CPU reaches 50%, acting as a proactive detection to keep service stable and with a good performance. A critical alert is one that can stop the service and affect the customer experience. For example, if a server goes down or a service level agreement is broken, in a zero outage environment, these alerts are prioritized by how much they can impact the service availability and the customer experience. A risk in event monitoring is creating too many alerts and events, which can generate a noise. Because of that, it's important to constantly refine and improve monitoring practice. One way to improve is by reducing the noise. For example, by suppressing repeat alerts so the team can focus on what really matters. By learning from past incidents, you can adjust the rules and make monitoring smarter over time. The primary objective of incident management is to restore normal service operations and agreed service levels as quickly as possible, minimizing impact on the business and customer experience. It's also important to monitor systems in advance to address disruptions.